Simplify, we have negative 2x raised to the 4th power. This means the whole expression inside the parentheses, negative 2x, is multiplied by itself 4 times. So let's write that out. We have negative 2x times negative 2x times negative 2x times negative 2x. Now that is all multiplied together. The negative 2 times the x times the negative 2 times the x and so forth. So we can write all of the negative 2's together and all of the x's together. We have 4 factors of x. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4, times negative 2 is negative 8, times negative 2 is positive 16. And x times x times x times x is x to the 4th. So negative 2x raised to the 4th power is 16x to the 4th.